होगा अगर हम मेंटल हेल्थ पे भी काम करें और फिजिकल हेल्थ पे भी करें. एंड बोथ दीज लेडीज दैट वी हैव ऑन आवर शो टुडे, मेहर से तो आप ऑलरेडी मिल चुके हैं. अब मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी हमारी अगली गेस्ट से, जिनका नाम है मंतहा तरीन. शी इज़ अ फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट, सर्टिफाइड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एंड lifestyle and wellness coach. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Richa. It's always a pleasure seeing you.
It's always a pleasure to have you on the show as well. And guys, funny because I was just telling her कि अभी मेरी बहन की शादी हुई है, and Mantha, I feel like I've really put on weight. So first thing she did, she gave me a big lecture. तुम क्यों नहीं जा रही? तुम्हें जिम जाना चाहिए. तुम घर आओ. I'll give you the bowl. I'll do this. I'll do that. And it's lovely to always have people who are so focused on their mental and physical well-being.
You know what is not only that, but it's lovely to have people who have accountability towards you.
Yes.
As soon as you said that, when you saw me, that means that I hold that position in your head.
Yes.
Where you feel that you need to be accountable.
Of course.
And I was honest with you as well. So
Absolutely.
we need to get back to business after your weddings are over.
Abhi shuru kar deti hu. I'll run home today. Okay, so Mantha, how has the last year been for you?
Honestly, Rija, it's been quite a roller coaster ride. The good, bad, and the ugly, but it all ended well.
Alhamdulillah.
That's all I have to say.
That's
the
all we
life
want.
of like most of the people around us. And since this New Year's is approaching, and somehow, this time of the year is kind of that mystic where the weather is nice, you want to socialize, you want to gather the love and wear these colors. I was just telling Maren this, the greens and the reds, and think about what the future unfolds for you.
For you, absolutely.
And learn from the mistakes you made.
And learn from mistakes. That is very important as well. So if you were to sum up, let's say, the last year, एक कोई ऐसी resolution थी जो last year आप नहीं meet कर पाई?
Yes, Richa.
एक दो?
एक जो most important थी कि I always talk about self-love and I always talk about कि अपने आप को priority दी जाए. But 2024 में, because I was expanding my business, I opened the Wellness Bowl, Mantha's Wellness Bowl, which was a nutrition line of mine, which is a labor of love for me, because each and everything.
And you got some for us last time.
Yes,
how
I got
yummy
some
was
for
that?
you even today.
Yay!
It's in my bag.
Yay! Love
And
it.
how could I forget?
I love
you
it.
have a
love
special
it.
place in my heart, and
Thank
so
you,
does this
sweetheart.
show.
What a
So I did that. I expanded into a bigger fitness place. I also got a Pilates thing in the reformer, which I'm doing only personal trainings, because that's where I can actually focus on everything, and combining with all my experience. So, doing that and also having a 3-year-old, I lost myself in the whole game. And I mean, I didn't have my me time. I didn't have my time to meditate. I didn't have my time to go get away. And even I even forgot my skincare routine in the get-go.
होता है. औरतों के लिए बहुत tough है. Expectations कितनी ज़्यादा होती हैं.
And it's for real. It's real for us coaches as well. That's what I want to tell everybody.
Of course.
कि ये हर किसी के साथ होता है. Just because we help everybody else, we are also human, and we also need to be reminded by experts. And also by people like you, who are there, curious to know and ask the right questions.
Of course. Meher, वैसे self-care पे कुछ बताओ. How do you think people like Mantha and I can make self-care a priority?
I think.
And you're a mother of 2 kids as well, mashallah. I'm a mother of 1 kid. She's a mother of a kid as well. किस तरह कितनी औरतें हैं जो माएँ हैं, कैसे करें?
I think Mantha ने इतनी अच्छी बात की है कि it is not because we're the only ones, we're coaches and we're in the business of actually enabling others and empowering others, doesn't mean that we don't have bad days. It doesn't mean that we don't fall flat, right? But what's the difference, Rija? The difference is we have learnt how to get back up, right?
Absolutely.
And I think one of the tips that I would say about self-care is जो कि हम इतना सुनते आ रहे हैं is कि पहले ऑक्सीजन मास्क अपने पे लगाएं, फिर आप दूसरों पे लगाएं, right? And a lot of times people say, but that's, sometimes self-care is also looked at being selfish.
Yes.
I will
good
also,
point.
Yes, I will club 2 words together right now, and I'll say self-care and self-worth should be on every person's priority list.
Absolutely.
जब आप self worth feel करते हैं ना, तो you feel like it is because of that worthiness. Is it that those opportunities will come?
Absolutely.
And that then gives you one canvas to paint
canvas. Absolutely. And self-care and self-worth mein Mantaha, as a fitness instructor, as a lifestyle coach, how would you tell women कि रोज 1 घंटा वर्कआउट के लिए निकालना भी सेल्फ केयर है. अभी you took such ownership over women. You're like, listen, बहन की शादी हो रही है, जो भी हो रहा है, अपने लिए टाइम निकालो, वर्कआउट करो.
Yeah.
Right? So how do you convince women to do that, your clients to do that?
Well, the first thing that I do is, in order for someone to actually know what's going on inside them, just talking to them is not going to work. It's short-lived. कि आपने उनके साथ एक कंसल्टेशन की, आपने उसको समझाया, वही इंफॉर्मेशन वो उनको AI से भी मिल जाएगी, वही इंफॉर्मेशन उनको जो है गूगल से भी मिल जाएगी. So what is it that you are doing which is different from what's happening there? The first thing that I tell them is to go get your blood work done. Okay, when they come back with the blood work and they put them onto a nutrition monitoring program and I see what they're eating, the results are not magnificent.
Yeah.
And that's when they're like, oops. Okay, so I'm like, just like she said, you said, you're the mother of 2 kids. Yeah. If you don't take care of yourself, how is the child going to take care of himself? And how is the child going to get that time to connect with you? Because you are going to be all the time irritated, or you're going to be flustered, or you're going to be like, okay, I have to do this, I have to do this. Like, we as women are always multitasking, right? When we are multitasking, each thing it can be done and finished and checked in from our to-do list, but it's not sometimes 100%.
100%.
Okay? And your children fall into that criteria as well at times. They want that 100% from you, and they are not able to get it. Now, there's one thing that I learned about myself during this process. Like I was saying, that I did not give 100% to myself in last year, which is one thing, but yes, I did what I had to do on my to-do list. Business expand कर लिया, wellness bowl खोल लिया, बच्चा को सही जगहों पे डाल दिया, उसकी engagement activities कर ली, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया. It was all about this. But I noticed one thing, that I used to miss taking care of myself, but as an empath and as a coach, you have that personality of giving. Okay? But my giving didn't go down. Which is why my referrals also increased. Because जो मैं feel कर रही थी, I converted that negative energy into positive energy for myself. That is one thing I would like people to learn and explore. Like, whenever you're feeling angry, convert it into something positive.
Something positive. Channel that energy somewhere.
Channel that energy somewhere. So I did that. When I was not taking care of myself, the feelings that I used to feel, oh my God, I feel I've got like dark spots on my skin. I feel like, I'm not having my hot water with aloe vera every morning that I used to have. What did that do to my digestive system? I used to write that down in a journal. So those thoughts that I wrote down on the journal, those emotions, feelings, and also those emotions and feelings I could relate with my clients जब मैं उनके साथ consultations में बैठती थी. ठीक है, क्योंकि solutions तो हम coaches को आते हैं. But it's that thing कि आप sometimes, because you're doing so much and there's only 24 hours.
Welcome back, my beautiful healthy people. अब हम जा रहे हैं मंता से कुछ important सवाल पूछने के लिए about her own New Year resolutions for this year. So, Manta, अब इस साल की New Year resolutions क्या हैं? Considering you have so much going on already for you, you're a business owner, you've got these food bowls, you've got a child, I'm sure you've got a husband that you're taking care of as well, and parents, and औरतें क्या? How is it कि आप constantly improve करना चाहती हो? फिर भी इस साल ये जो नया साल शुरू हुआ है, इसकी क्या resolutions in being a better version of yourself?
First of all, I want to focus on my well-being.
Okay, amazing.
Which is mental, physical, and spiritual.
Amazing.
Mind, body, and soul.
Amazing.
And for that, I have to know myself. So this year, you think you know yourself. Everybody thinks कि okay, मुझे पता है कि मैं क्या हूँ, मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है, क्या नहीं अच्छा लगता है. नहीं, जब इंसान ट्रॉमा से गुजरता है, जब इंसान बैड फेजेस, गुड फेजेस, अगली फेजेस से गुजरता है, तब आपको अपने बारे में जितना पता चलता है कि व्हाट आर माय लाइक्स या डिसलाइक्स, या इस चीज़ से मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करूँगी या इस चीज़ से मैं कैसे रिएक्ट नहीं करूँगी, देन ओनली यू कैन बी अनस्ट्रेसेबल.
You need to understand. Self-awareness बहुत जरूरी.
Yes. So being an entrepreneur and you know, a coach myself, I need to understand myself first. कि कौन से मेरे triggers हैं, कौन सी मेरी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे stress करती हैं, और ये बात हर किसी को, that only comes with journaling.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Oh wow.
So
you're an avid journaler?
Yes, you need to journal.
Wow.
Even if it's, मैं इससे ये नहीं कि you go to a bookshop जी आप पारिस की उन्हें आपने beautiful journal, नहीं, just open your notes on your
notepad. Oh my god, I do that.
And then you know, and just वहाँ recorder है कि अगर आप खुद लिखना भी नहीं चाहते, you just voice record it. The phone will just kind of like write it down for you.
Yes.
It will take you 2 minutes.
Voice dictation.
Yes.
Oh my god, I do that.
The dictation.
Oh my god, I do that.
Yeah.
How cool.
Yeah.
Good to see someone else does that too.
Yeah, we need to know ourselves.
Oh my god, amazing.
So doing this and going through the, you know, the roller coaster ride last year, I have come to know very clearly what I like, what I dislike, and how I want to set my boundaries with certain people.
Amazing. And this is how you're empowering yourself every day.
Yeah, because nobody is going to, if something goes wrong with my business, nobody's going to come and provide me, right? So if the problem with certain people, especially coaches, is that they forget that this is their job. So if you take your job a mile further, then you start really caring for your clients, and that could just also lead to a lot of other things too. Because you see, even my mentors in the US used to tell me, you should remember that you should have boundaries. And because in order to keep the relationship with yourself or anyone around you, you know, which should keep your mental well-being. If you are mentally well and you have boundaries, you have more time for yourself.
More time, absolutely. Mantha, on that note, आप किस तरीके से अपनी boundaries create करती हो लोगों के साथ? What are some of the short ways in which you have done it last year?
Well, last year.
और इस साल क्या करना चाह रही हो boundaries?
Last year I learned that I was.
कितने लोग by the way इससे notes ले सकते हैं और सीख सकते हैं, including me?
Yeah.
Boundaries, आपको family को आपकी boundaries नहीं पता
होती? No, you should have boundaries with everybody, even with your parents, even with your children, with your in-laws, with your husband,
with your colleagues, with your partners.
Exactly, with your friends.
Absolutely.
Also, because you see, whenever you see, everybody's not 100% available for you, right?
Of course.
So you should also have boundaries and learn to say no.
Yeah, of course.
When you can and when you cannot.
Did you have a hard time saying no, Pele?
Yes, I did. And plus, you know, there was always this guilt trip. You're always busy. This was a tagline that everybody used to use in order to end the conversation with you know, someone who's busy. So I learned the hard way that, you see, yes, I am busy because I am doing this, and I'm doing this for you too, in the list of to-do lists.
Amazing. Amazing.
Right? So I'm not just doing this for myself. I've lost myself this year. So in order to regain myself, I have to make sure that I do have my boundaries.
Yes.
Yes, my clients have a position here. They're high pedestal.
Yeah.
Right? They always will be.
Yeah.
Because I absolutely love them. But then when I have my baby time with me and my child, I can't have a client time at that time.
Of course.
Because that just messes me up.
Messes you up, absolutely. I mean, Mantha, I love how real you are. And I love how real you said this thing about boundaries as well, because it hits home with me as well. So good. Welcome back, my beautiful people. हम मंतहा से discuss कर रहे हैं about her own journey, and you know I love how raw and real she is all the time. जब भी आती है, you know वो हमेशा बहुत दिल से अपनी भी journey share करती है, लोगों को भी empower करती है, including me. So that's great, right, Mantha? Now I'm gonna ask you some burning questions, जिसके हम जल्दी जवाब सुनेंगे, ठीक है?
Sure.
How do you start your day?
Aloe vera and hot water.
Amazing. If you could describe your fitness in one line, what would it be?
Easy, convenient, enjoyable, and fun.
Ah, nice. And I see that through your reels as well.
Yeah.
How you make sometimes fun of some clients as well, which bada maza aata with the stability ball as well. It was hilarious. Acha, can we eat whatever we want and still stay in shape?
No.
Okay, great, of course.
Everything in moderation hits the button.
What is the newest exercise craze?
Pilates reformer.
What is better, cardio or weights? या दोनों use करने चाहिए?
No, this is a very good debate जो आजकल चल रही है. I think that a combination of cardio, strength training, weights, as well as flexibility yoga. All three have to be utilized in their appropriate manner. But again, you have to sit with a consultant, with a nutritionist, lifestyle and wellness coach, and you need to talk to the person कि मेरे साथ ये है, मेरे objectives ये है, मेरे goals ये है, तो वो आपको एक plan बना के देंगे. जैसे so we make a plan. कि देखिए आप हफ्ते में 2 दफा cardio करें, 3 दफा strength करें, 1 दफा flexibility, फिर 2 महीने के बाद we change it. You know, so it also depends upon the medical conditions and also your muscle, कोई weaknesses, age. तो it's better that आप खुद ना choose करें कि हम कौन सा exercise करेंगे, हम क्या कौन सी gluten free bread खाएंगे. Even खाने के वक्त भी, like, don't do it yourself.
Don't do it, yeah.
And just because it's on Google and Instagram and a celebrity is doing it, it doesn't mean that it's right for you.
अच्छा, biggest fitness myth that you want to debunk?
Biggest fitness myth is that if you don't close your mouth and you keep exercising, it will help you lose weight. No, that's not going to happen.
Oh.
You need to
actually eat.
No, you need to eat right.
Yeah.
And you need to exercise right.
Of course, absolutely. Faake na mare, please.
Yes, and basically. Also sugar is also not bad for you all the time.
Oh,
you know, I mean, having a little bit of it here and there will only help you boost your brain. And you also have to see what time of the month you are in as a female.
Of course.
Sometimes you need those carbs.
Oh my God,
Listen to your body, please.
Yes, of course, of course. मतलब अपने आप को इतना तरसाने की ज़रूरत नहीं.
नहीं, lifestyle change is not a punishment.
Punishment, absolutely, well put. Lifestyle change is really not.
It's a reward that you're giving yourself.
Self.
And baby steps at a time.
Baby steps. एक healthy habit जो आप हमारी audience को बताओगी, जो कोई भी develop कर सकता है घर पे, और एक अच्छी आदत है इस नए साल के लिए.
Do your home chores yourself.
घर के काम खुद करें.
हाँ. मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि सारे घर के काम खुद करें. मतलब like, you know, pick up every weekend, pick up one thing up. जैसे Saturday, Sunday को कोई activity नहीं होती है. If you don't go out, if you're not walking, if you're not going to the gym, pick one thing up.
Yeah.
You know, it will give you a dopamine rush also.
That's true. That's true. You know, I've actually been
organizing your closet. It actually gives you access.
It's therapeutic.
It's therapeutic.
Very therapeutic.
Cooking for me is therapeutic.
Amazing.
And you're getting back to your female roots. So you won't forget your female energy.
Yes, right. We're having some divine feminine energy from Mantaha right now, guys. Loving it. अब हम जा रहे हैं break पे. जब वापस आएंगे, we'll break this down further. Happy New Year, guys. You know, I love it because, you know, नया साल शुरू हो रहा है और हम लोगों ने नया साल भी शुरू किया with these two really competent women who are telling us about mental wellness and physical wellness. And we have Mantaha with us right now who's focusing on physical and mental as well. And she's going to tell us one healthy habit that everyone should adopt this year.
One healthy habit that you should adopt this year is healthy communication.
Amazing.
And also taking time out for yourself, self-love.
Absolutely, and I think, yeah, आपका भी
morning routines are #1 on the list.
Amazing, absolutely, so important as well. My morning routine consists of having lemon water actually, with a little bit of honey, organic honey. So that really helps too, guys. आप लोग अपनी भी morning routine हमसे share कर सकते हैं, हम अपनी community के साथ share कर सकते हैं, सबका फायदा हो सकता है, right? Why not?
True.
Acha. So, Mantaha, I see that, you know, you've gotten me these really amazing cookies that you've made yourself, right? Or ye pre-workout cookie hai?
This is a pre-workout snack, and it is, you can have this with your black coffee or your lactose-free coffee if you are avoiding milk. You can have normal coffee as well if you're not intolerant to lactose.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, so you could do that. But this is made with dates.
Yum.
It is made with walnut flour and almond flour.
Guys,
so
look how cute
it is completely gluten-free. I'm not using wheat flour in it at all. So nuts and dates and a little bit of vanilla extract.
Yum! And I'm actually planning to try.
Topped it with cinnamon for the holidays.
Yum!
This is good.
It's so good.
Can you taste the walnut?
It's filling as well. I can taste the walnut. I can definitely taste the dates. और वनीला का भी बहुत मजे का, बादाम भी है,
बादाम है और वॉलनट्स है एंड डेट्स है.
I love it, guys. This is so amazing. And you know, Manta, so you actually make these yourself?
Yes,
I'm going to enjoy it after my show as well. Do you make these yourself?
Yes, we make them at the kitchen.
Amazing.
Yes, I have the wellness bowl kitchen. So we make it there, and they are available at Fresh Basket. और उधर भी है क्या कहते हैं, Evergreen पे भी available है.
So Manta, ये cooking भी
you can order from
मेरे लिए
us
healing है. Cooking is healing for you, right? So when you make this, you put all of your loving energy into this as well.
Yes,
right?
I do a lot of trial and error, and बता इसका pro ये है कि it can turn out to be magnificent.
Of course.
और इसका मतलब you know the other side of the story, the con is that you don't remember the recipe.
Oh.
क्योंकि मैं लिख रही नहीं होती हूँ ना, I'm just doing it वो अपने like with that love and with that.
मगर Manta, ये वैसे ही बिल्कुल टेस्ट कर रहे हैं जैसे last time you got me cookies as well when you came.
Yeah, those were.
उसमें coconut भी था.
उसमें coconut था, उसमें dark chocolate था.
Yes. Oh my God, yes, I remember. See how yummy that was. And even this is yummy.
और क्योंकि मैं I don't use man-made stuff. Baking soda मैं इस्तेमाल नहीं करती, yeast नहीं करती, और ना मैं sugar करती हूँ. So जो भी sweetened है, it either has to be sweetened with banana, dates, or with maple syrup. तो इसीलिए मैं like that also a grade of maple syrup, not the pancake one.
Not that one, yeah.
Yeah. So in order to keep it real, because I'm a huge believer in paleo. Yeah.
Paleo diet.
Paleo diet. For me, that is an all-time favorite diet.
Acha.
If there's one diet that I will always go on to keep my body and mind nourished,
really,
it's going to be paleo, because everything is God-made.
Acha, so tell us a little about paleo diet. In fact, we just did a show, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, in which we had a lady who came in and spoke about different kind of diets, और वो high protein को बहुत favor कर रही थी.
अब देखिए अभी पेलियो
कैसे डिफरेंट है?
आप हाई प्रोटीन, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर एक्टिविटी लेवल. आप ये नहीं कर सकते कि आप कहें कि हाई प्रोटीन अच्छा है, लो कार्ब अच्छा है. वो देखो डिपेंड्स कि आप किस एज में हो, आपकी क्या. एक रनर है, मैराथन रनर, आप उसको तो आप नहीं कह सकते कि आप हाई प्रोटीन करें. अगर वो ग्लूकोज नहीं खाएगा, कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं खाएगा, वो तो गिर जाएगा.
सही बात है.
तो फिर उसके लिए तो प्रोटीन इतना काम नहीं करेगी. प्रोटीन, हाई प्रोटीन काम करेगी उन लोगों के लिए जो लीन मसल मास ऐड करना चाह रहे हैं अपने बॉडी पे. तो अब यू नो फॉर इंस्टेंस अभी कोई स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनर है, वेट ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, आप ओलंपिक्स जा रहे हैं, या आपका आज वेट ट्रेनिंग का दिन है. आपने कहा मैं जिम जाऊंगी, आई एम गोइंग टू लिफ्ट वेट्स. तो मैं आपको पता, आपने मुझे ये इन्फॉर्म कर लिया वेडनेसडे को मैं वेट्स ट्रेनिंग करती हूँ, मंडे को मैं ये करती हूँ, तो मैं आपकी डाइट उस तरीके से प्लान करूंगी ना, ताकि आपकी बॉडी क्रेव ना करे फिर कार्बोहाइड्रेट.
ऑफ कोर्स.
अगर मैं आपको कार्डियो के दिन जो है वो हाई प्रोटीन पे रख दूं और स्ट्रेंथ के दिन पे कार्ब्स पे रख दूं, तो फिर आपकी तो इट्स गोना कन्वर्ट टू फैट.
That's amazing, and I really love how लोग इतना शायद गहराई तक नहीं सोचते. लोगों को शायद इतनी नॉलेज भी नहीं होती इन चीज़ों की. But I'm really glad you're bringing it to the notice कि there are professionals in the market available that will give you a specific diet for a specific day to achieve a specific goal.
Exactly, Richa, मैं तो कहती हूँ कि in like you know with my nutrition line मैंने लोगों की ना 70% प्रॉब्लम्स निकाल दी हैं.
Wow.
उनको सिर्फ मेरे साथ आके, वो भी कंसल्टेशंस भी मैंने फ्री कर दी हैं. This is to serve these people who don't have knowledge.
Of course.
क्योंकि आप आओ 15 मिनट में मुझे पता चल जाएगा आपके लाइफ की स्नैपशॉट क्या है, उसी अकॉर्डिंगली आपकी मील्स जाएंगी.
Yes.
तो आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा या आज ये. You come and discuss your life with me.
Of course.
Take the first step to communicate.
Very well said. I think you couldn't have, you know, summed it up better in with respect to everything that you've been through yourself, what you've learned along the way, how you're making your business better as well. And Manta, अब मैं एक आखिरी मैसेज आपसे लूँगी हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए. What is it that you can say to people that they can make 2025 more wholesome, mentally, physically, and emotionally?
Act, don't react.
Amazing. Makes sense.
Act at the right time. Don't procrastinate.
Yes, absolutely.
Because procrastination will only lend you into reaction.
So well said. So well said. So well said. यही होता है, आप फिर irritate हो जाते हो, frustrate हो जाते हो, and these are the
Follow your intuition. Because you have it. God speaks to you.
Of course.
Learn to manage your stress.
Yeah.
Everybody is going through stress in life.
Everyone's going through issues.
But you need to learn what stresses you.
Yeah.
And then learn to manage it. You can't make it to zero.
Yeah,
absolutely. But learn how to manage it.
Absolutely. I mean, this is great. I think this has been a great message. And, you know, Mantaha, thank you so much for being on our show. Thank you so much for guiding us so wonderfully. Whenever you come, you're always so warm-hearted and generous and, you know, so caring and so real.
Thank you. So are you guys. I mean, I feel so good talking to you. It feels like I'm talking to a friend.
Of course, and we are, right? Now we are. Ab to kitni dafa hum mil bhi chuke hain, kitni cheezein bhi discuss kar li.
So, coming here is like, you know, always real for me.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your insights.
Thank you for inviting me.
And must check these bowls out and must check these out for sure this time. Ab to shaadi khatam, khana peena khatam. अब वर्कआउट शुरू. यस
नहीं आई ना. मैं तुम्हें घर पे भेज दूंगी चाहे तुम खाओ या ना खाओ.
I will पक्का. Alright guys, I really hope आप लोगों ने ये शो एंजॉय किया. I really loved the show a lot. हमारा नया साल शुरू हुआ है with brand new energies and you know my message to this year would be जो कि मैंने नहीं दिया initially, be kind. बी काइंड टू एवरीवन अराउंड यू. आपको नहीं पता लोग किस किस चीज़ों से गुजर रहे होते हैं. काफ़ी दफ़ा आप अपने दोस्त को 1 सेकंड लगता है और मैसेज करके बोल देते हैं हाँ यार तुम तो बहुत बिजी हो, तुमने तो मैसेज नहीं किया, दिस एंड दैट हो, तुम्हारे पास तो टाइम नहीं है. क्या आपने पूछा कि वो बंदा किस चीज़ में फंसा हुआ है या वो बंदी किस चीज़ में फंसी है? क्या आपने बोला हे लिसन डू यू नीड एनी हेल्प, आई एम हियर फॉर यू. यू नो आपकी मामा आपको कभी कभी आके इस तरह की कोई चीज़ बोल सकती हैं. डू यू रियलाइज़ कि उसकी बैक स्टोरी क्या है? इस साल मैं ये चाहूँगी कि मैं ऑलरेडी इतनी ज़्यादा एम्पैथेटिक हूँ पर मैं थोड़ा और एहसास रखूँ. चाहे वो मेरी औलाद है, चाहे वो मेरी माँ है, मेरा बाप है, मेरे दोस्त हैं. अगर मुझे कोई आके कुछ बोलेगा तो मैं इमीडिएटली रिएक्ट करके बदतमीज़ी नहीं करूँगी या मैं आगे से जवाब नहीं दे दूँगी. मैं सोचूँगी, मैं अंडरस्टैंड करूँगी और फिर मैं जवाब दूँगी. बिकॉज बीइंग काइंड एंड जेंटल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? एंड ऑन दैट नोट आई वांट टू एंड दिस शो टुडे. अपना ध्यान रखें. इंशाल्लाह कल मिलेंगे विद अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर अगेन. नया साल बहुत बहुत मुबारक. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.